Oh, what's poppin', my peoples from the ethers? So today I got a quick video for you on how to fix your wobbly knob on your Apogee Quartet. And initially I thought like this was normal, like this shit was supposed to wobble like this, until today with the click function it stopped muting and unmuting the sound. So I was like, fuck it, I guess I gotta take this shit apart, right? It must be something on the inside I gotta replace or something. And so I started taking the screws off from the back, and then I said, fuck it. Like, while I was taking the screws off, I was like, fuck it, let me just pull on this shit. And I pulled on it, and it came off. And I see this shit like this, I'm like, what the fuck? I guess this is supposed to be like this. It's just like, I don't understand. And then what I realized, like, with playing with it, is like it has to be in the center. And you have to rise it up a little bit and put this little nut and spin it around the threading that it has. It's fucking pretty difficult to do with one hand, but fucking try it. And then you just thread it. Alright, you get the point of the video. I'll fucking show you in a little bit. Alright, so now that this thing is threaded, now the button is not moving anywhere, right? I really tightened it with my hand, but if you want to tighten it, one of these doohickeys, and get lit with it. And I wouldn't recommend tightening it too much, but definitely would help make it more tighter. And then now you put on the lid again. Make sure you put it on properly and don't break shit. And yeah, push it down. You don't got no fucking wobbly ass fucking thing. You getting lit with it now. We lit. It's fucking 2019 and they still hadn't made a video on this. I'm fucking lit. It's lit. Alright guys, have a good one.